Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unblock someone on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, so if you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, this is the homepage of OnlyFans. And right here, to unblock someone, what I can do is simply go to this Collections or Subscriptions tab. Simply click on either one of them. And from here, you will be in the user list. If you scroll down, you will find something like fans, following, restricted, and blocked. Right here, this is the person that I have blocked. In case you want to block someone, simply click on this button, add the username, and simply click on block user. Right now, I want to unblock this person, so let's click on this. And from here, a page to the profile will open up. Simply click on this unblock button right here. And there you have it. You have successfully unblocked a person on OnlyFans. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.